Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to embed code in WordPress. Let's get started. So I asked ChatGPT right here to give me an HTML code that can I embed. So I have this code right here, so let's head over and click on this copy from in there, and then let's head over to my website. So I have this website right here, so let's head over and click on this edit page in order to add the code that we have copied. So I'm only in here on the block editor. So scroll down right here wherein you want to add that particular code. You can also click on this plus icon right here in order to insert a block. And in here, let's search in here for HTML. Now in here, let's actually drag this right around here in order to add this to our website. So you can also add some advanced things on your website if you want as well. So let's paste in here the thing that we have copied. Click on this preview. And as you can see, we have now this particular embedded picture of a cute dog. So let's head over and save this progress, and then you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.